Ensuring safety at work is crucial. As you know, work plays a significant role in our lives. It provides us with a livelihood and help supports our families. However, it cannot be denied that some jobs involve risk, especially in construction sites. Accidents can happen at any time. That's why safety at work is really important. Every worker should be aware of the dangers around them. Sometimes, simple mistakes can lead to major accidents. Following rules and being cautious are crucial. Remember, the safety of everyone is our shared responsibility. Companies are responsible for providing a safe workplace with proper and complete equipment and safety hand tools. Regular training should be conducted. Safety at work is not just the responsibility of the company or the workers. It is everyone's responsibility. Through teamwork, we can prevent accidents and ensure everyone's safety. Within a construction site, there are many dangers like not wearing a welding mask while welding metal, not wearing a hard hat while working, not wearing safety shoes while walking, not wearing gloves while fixing the wirings, not using a trolley for heavy objects, and lastly, for unsafe act is not wearing earmuffs while using noisy power tools. But there are also dangers that we may not immediately notice, like unexpected obstacle blocking the way causing a worker to fall, accidentally using a faulty scaffolding, unexpectedly slippery and flooded working area, accidentally using defective equipment, unexpected slippery ladders, and unexpectedly poorly attached ladders. Workers must be aware of all workplace hazards, so that always wear a welding mask. They need to know how to avoid this and what to do in case of an accident, so wear a hard hats. Don't forget to wear safety shoes to prevent foot injuries. Wear gloves so you don't dance with gimme. Use strollers to avoid bone fractures. Also, wear earmuffs to protect your hearings. We should always remember that remove and clean any objects on the pathway to prevent falling to someone else. Companies should put warnings on the faulty equipment. Also, stop working when the working site is slippery or flooded. Remove the defective equipment or fix it if it is possible. If you see any danger, report it immediately to your supervisor. Remember that safety equipment is designed to protect us. Cleanliness at work is vital to avoid illness and accidents. Companies should provide a clean and safe environment for their workers. Companies should enforce strict rules about using safety equipment. Workers should undergo training to know how to properly use them. Workers should wear the appropriate personal protective equipment or PPE such as gloves, masks, and safety shoes while working. Areas with hazards should have warnings, signs, clear emergency procedures, conducting regular safety inspection, and maintaining proper documentation. First aid kits should be easily accessible at all times. Workers should know where to find them and how to use them. Companies should have programs for the health and safety of their workers. Cleanliness at work is not only the responsibility of the company. Workers should also do their part by maintaining cleanliness in their work areas. And now, let's move on to key to a safe workplace. Safety at work is everyone's responsibility. Being alert and careful is important at all times. Also remember, safety starts with you. Companies should provide a safe place for their workers. Workers should follow the rules and use safety equipment. Also remember, caution is the most effective way to prevent accidents. We should be alert at all times and be careful in our actions. As I said before, if you see a danger, report it immediately to your supervisor. Safety is not just about following the rules. It is about taking care of ourselves and our colleges. Through cooperation, we can prevent accidents and return home safely to our families. Always remember, prevention is better than cure. Thank you.